I prepared a kilogram of chicken wings, which I will first dry well. I dry the chicken wings with a paper towel. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Turn and dry the other side. Dry the chicken wings well. This is important for it to be crispy. I will prepare the spice mixture. I add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of granulated garlic, sweet ground pepper. To make the wings crispy, I'll add a teaspoon of baking powder. I add spices and rub it into the chicken wings. Place the chicken wings in the hot air fryer. I bake chicken wings at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, shake the wings. And return back. After 20 minutes, the chicken wings look like this. To make the chicken wings more crispy, I bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for another 5 minutes. Chicken wings prepared in this way are extremely juicy, tasty, and crispy. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.